I got a long trip ahead and I'm gonna try and pack everything into this carry-on luggage. Here are some packing tips to fit everything you need in a carry-on. This is pretty obvious, but packing cubes. It keeps everything nice and organized. And bonus points if they're compressible packing cubes. So you can have a packing cube that looks like this, turned into this. Next tip is to pack outfits that you can mix and match. So choose pieces that you can wear multiple times, almost like a capsule wardrobe. I never travel without this, and that is travel size laundry detergent. And guys, wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Next tip is to limit how many shoes you bring. They take up so much space. So limit yourself to 1 or 2 pairs that'll match every outfit. And if you're going somewhere that has a cooler climate, I recommend getting a jacket that is packable, and it even doubles as a pillow. And lastly, limit your toiletries by only bringing the absolute ones that you cannot live without. Some items can be bought at your destination. Packing for longer trips in a carry-on is definitely possible, but a challenge. Have you tried these ones or have any other tips? Comment below.